The Food Service Exchange presents.
The Magic Chef 3.0 cubic foot compact upright freezer is the perfect solution when that extra freezer space is needed. A recessed handle and flush back create a space-saving design, making it the perfect addition for basements, rec rooms, and small space living, while the interior is spacious enough to accommodate a variety of items, from homemade meals to leftovers to spare ice, and all your favorite items in between. Wire shelves allow easy loading and removal of items. An easy-to-operate dial lets you control the temperature with a simple turn. The manual defrost function helps keep the freezer clean, allowing for simplified maintenance and care. The reversible door offers versatility in placement, ensuring this freezer is a perfect fit, no matter where you place it. So stop relying on fast food meals and running to the grocery store every week. With the Magic Chef 3.0 cubic foot compact upright freezer, you can stay stocked, organized, and prepared to enjoy life's simple pleasures.